over this region when he caught a glimpse of something unexpected.
I was arriving in Rio Branco by jet, commercial jet.
Yes. Yeah.
Seat, the window seat.
Yeah.
And look in the environment like this.
Yes.
Like this. And then I see a big circle. My God, what is? And the jet is so fast.
Yeah.
Oh, disappear.
He didn't yet realize it, but in those few seconds, Dr. Ramsey had spotted something that, if our old notions of the Amazon are true, simply shouldn't exist.
Wow.
Yeah.
Giant geometrical shapes, as much as 1,000 feet across, formed by trenches and massive piles of earth, now known as geoglyphs.
Fantastic design.
My God, that's the design. And so big.
And enormous.
So big, enormous.
Yeah. Enormous.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful thing. What I'm seeing is a square surrounded by an oval.
Look, another one.
Yes. They're everywhere.
Everywhere. Another one here. Another one here.
Wow. Incredible.
The perfect geometry is only visible from hundreds of feet in the air. And yet somehow, this was all created by people with their feet stuck firmly on the ground. This, to me, raises a feeling of deep respect. How do they have the perspective to see how they would look from above?
It's a powerful experience. I've visited many temples and pyramids and sacred sites around the world, and this has a very special feeling. You know, very special. I mean, it touches my heart. I'm looking at something majestic.
It's as though the curtain is being pulled back from the Mona Lisa. Suddenly, I'm seeing something that I didn't know was there, and it had an enormous emotional impact upon me. It was as though the ancients were speaking to me directly. Look what we could do. Don't underestimate us. We were scientists.
When you first told archaeologists about this phenomenon, what did they say?
The first one was a famous archaeologist.
Yes.
I showed her
Yeah.
the picture.
Yeah.
And she looked and said, where is it? In the Amazon. It's impossible. It's impossible. Look at the picture. Help me, please. I don't know what it is.
Yes.
The evidence is undeniable and spread across an area the size of West Virginia. At first, it was thought these mounds might be defensive ramparts. But there's no evidence of warfare here, and the ditches lie inside the mounds, so they're not moats. And there's no evidence that they were used as settlements. It's impossible to avoid speculation when we look at the Amazon geoglyphs. Why? Because there are no written documents from their original creators that tell us why they made them. We don't know why they made them.
What's your thought about how many there are in the whole area?
Thousand.
1,000.
Thousand. 5,000.
It raises many questions. How old are these geometrical earthworks? Are they older or younger than the Amazon rainforest that long concealed them? What was the size of the workforce that created them in the first place? And what skills were required to direct the work successfully?